beautiful people! I hope you're having a beautiful day today. My name is Peter Levitov. This is Handpan 360, and today we're going to learn this paradiddle-ish ditty. Shall we? This exercise is going to focus primarily on the center tone and a talk, which can be in the interstitial or a shoulder tone. The rhythm is split, at least the way I think about the rhythm, it's split into two groups of three, and then we have this particular pattern that I count diddle, pair, diddle, pair. Diddle, pair, diddle, pair. And so the diddle represents a double on whichever hand it happens to be on when it starts. So it goes like this. I'll start with the left hand lead. We will go to the right hand as well. And with all things handpan, it's really nice if you can to practice with both lead hands, keeping things balanced. I would say this is definitely an intermediate exercise. It requires some knowledge of paradiddles and some fluency in different times, primarily 3 and 4. And so we're going to start with 2 3s, and we'll do it alternating hand style. So 1 and 2 and That's how it begins. However, I'm going to be counting it in the 4 time. 1 E and 2 E. 1 E and 2 E. 1 E and 2 E. Then we're going to have the diddle, which will be on the left hand. 1 E and 2 E, diddle. So we have the 2 3s and we have the diddle and then the paradiddle, just a straight up paradiddle. So diddle, paradiddle. So we're going to do the right hand twice there, and then we finish on the pair. And at this point, that last note will be on the 4 of the count. And so then you have a E and a open that you can leave blank, or you can fill in various ways. So we'll leave it blank for now, and then we'll look at it, some variations a little bit later. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. An easy way to think about which hand is playing what in this rhythm is that after the 3s, then the left hand is going to always play the talks, and in this case, the right hand is going to always play the center tones. So lead hand on the talks and the non-lead hand on the center tone. And so if we remember, we have this pattern, diddle, pair, diddle, pair. And so we get in position, diddle, pair, diddle, pair. Diddle, pair, diddle, pair. Diddle, pair, diddle, pair. Diddle, pair, diddle, pair. Now we put it together nice and slow. For right now, as we're learning the rhythm, it's okay to stop at the 4 and leave a long break, reset, and begin again. But eventually we're going to want to keep that timing really even with the space. 4 E and 1. 4 E and 1. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Now if we play that a little bit faster, it sounds like this. Now that by itself is a little bit rigid for me. I like to add 2 more variations to fill it out a bit and make it more fluid. So the first one that we'll look at is just adding 1 0 to the 3 portion. So when we're going 1 2 3 1 2 3, on the 3 of the second grouping of 3, we're going to add a 0. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. 1 and 2 and Takita, 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 takita. Then everything proceeds as before. Diddle, pair, diddle, pair. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. So that gives it a nice little flow. The last thing I like to do then is to add on the last 2 beats a talk and a 0, and that gives it this nice turnaround, ba ba boom, right? Ba ba boom, ha ba ba boom. Okay, now slowly with the left hand lead, let's hear what that sounds like. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. That is so fun. Let's look slowly at these variations with the right hand lead as well. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. And finally, the entire rhythm with the right hand lead. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. If you're getting tripped up with this rhythm at all, first of all, keep in mind that this is a more advanced pattern, so just be patient with yourself, and if you're not getting it now, maybe check out some other lessons and come back to it later. And there are a few things that always help when learning a new rhythm. Slow way down, breathe, relax, count out loud, and also you can break the rhythms down into smaller chunks. So if the first triplet part is tripping you up, you just play that over and over again. 1 and a, 2 and a, right? 1 E and a, 2 E. 1 E and a, 2 E. 1 E and a, 2 E. And if the second half is your challenge, then you just play that. Diddle pair, a diddle pair. Diddle pair, a diddle pair. And you can definitely freestyle here and add some things, add some flourishes. You can change that very last 0 at the very end of the rhythm. It could instead be 2 talks if you'd like. There's a lot of different variations. I'll just kind of noodle a little bit. And you can always trade a talk or a 0 for a tone field, or both of them for a tone field, and just experiment and find things that you like. On this chord, something like this perhaps would be nice. All right, there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed that rhythm as much as I do. If y'all like these kinds of lessons, I've got full-length courses coming out next year at handpan360.com. You can head there now and get on the mailing list, and that'll keep you up to date on all the early bird discounts and all that good stuff. Hope y'all have a beautiful day. Thank you for sharing a bit of it with me, and we'll see you in the next video.